Welcome friends. Today I'm going to tell you my success story on a YouTube. So first of all, I will thank you all for becoming my subscriber and becoming my viewer of a YouTube channel. One good news I need to tell you that my YouTube channel got monetized and I started earning from the YouTube. Okay, I will tell you the history behind this, and in the today's video, I'm going to elaborate you some of the tips for getting YouTube monetization and getting earning from the YouTube. Okay, first of all, I will tell you the history when I started my channel and how my progress is to be. So I have registered on YouTube on 28th of July 2011. Very early I have registered on YouTube, but I was an inactive member on the YouTube. So I am not doing any videos there during those years, and just I have registered and I have started opening that channel. But the thing is, I was in Europe during that time, and for some of the countries, YouTube is having facility that they have started monetization once you register your channel during those days. During that day only, with the first day only, my channel get monetized. I got monetization badge on that particular channel, but I am unaware of what is monetization, how the YouTube videos are there, and how to get YouTuber and everything. I'm in different thing that I don't give I have not given any concentration on that thing. So I left that channel as it is. So again, I came to India, and then I have uploaded the first video on 2nd of February 2016 on the YouTube channel. After that, again I have uploaded 2-3 videos, and I thought that this will not work, so I left uploading the videos. So after 4 years, again during the lockdown, I recognized that I need to upload, or I need to create some contents for the users and for my students as well. I have started my YouTube channel again. So I have reopened that channel, same channel, and then I have started uploading the contents on that. I was active member of YouTube from 25th May to 2020. So just now, last 3 months ago, I have just started uploading the videos. Till today, I have uploaded only 35 videos on my YouTube channel, and total I have around 29,000 views. With this particular data, like 35 videos and 29,000 views, my channel got monetized. So I have around 1760 subscribers to my YouTube channel, and another thing is 4,000 watch hours already completed. That these things are required for the YouTube monetization, like 1,000 minimum subscribers, and 4,000 watch hours is required for getting enabled your YouTube channel for the monetization. Okay. Good thing about my channel is I got monetization. Also, I got membership feature activated from the YouTube. So what are the benefits of membership feature? That someone joins my channel, then I will get benefited from that joining amount. Monthly joining fees are there, and then user has to pay monthly joining fees, and those fees 70-30 sharing is there. So 70% share will be available to the YouTube creator, and 30% share will be for the YouTube company. Then also I got features like super chat enabled. So during the live session, I have the features like super chat enabled. So if you like my videos and everything, then you can click super chat enable feature, so that the users can pay during that super chat enable as well. And the third feature I got is a special badge option. During the chat option, the subscribers can put some badges during the chat option. So that special badge option I have enabled. In this today's video, what I'm going to tell you is how to start a YouTube channel, very basic thing, and then how to get starting from the channel to the monetization. Okay, we'll start with the session. Okay, once again, I will thank you all for becoming a subscriber and supporting me for getting a YouTube creator. Thank you. Okay, friend, just now we discussed about my success story on a YouTube. So I will tell you some tricks and tips for getting uh, enabled your YouTube channel. So how to be a good YouTuber. Okay, so we'll start with a slideshow. Very first thing is you require to start your YouTube channel, and it's very easy to start a YouTube channel. So just create a Google account, or uh, once you have a Gmail account, you can use the same Gmail account for creating a YouTube channel. So open www.youtube.com and then go to YouTube Studio and create your YouTube channel. So it's very easy steps for creating a YouTube channel. So just create a YouTube channel, and this is a mandatory requirement for getting into the YouTube. Okay. So once you have created a YouTube channel, next thing is make a great videos. So this is again important that video contents are very important as far as the YouTube is concerned. So video contents is very important. You should take care of copyright things, like do not copy the music from any other videos, or do not copy the music from like films and all. So copyright will play a very important role in a monetization. So if you are copying some contents from other users, then what will happen that uh, you will not get if once that your channel get monetized, but you will not get earning, because that earning will be transferred to that copyright contents. Again, another very important feature that you should take care of, your video should be unique one, and that should be very unique and interesting video, and that video should not bore the users. So this is very important thing that your viewer can engage with your video. Okay, so these are the some tips for creating a video. So take into mind that you must create a great video. Next thing is make a sense of YouTube algorithm and analytics. So this is very important thing that you have to take care of YouTube algorithm and analytics. So YouTube is having very good algorithm for searching and engaging your viewers. So YouTube analytics is again important. So you have to take care of this thing. So first thing is YouTube uses great algorithm to judge the user. So key factor for getting algorithm to be worked with your side is number of views, subscribers, and the watch time. So if your video is having very good number of views and subscribers and watch time, then definitely it will promote your YouTube will promote your video. But the thing is, once you started the channel, then there are no views, no subscribers, and no watch time. Then how to get engaged with the YouTube algorithm and analytics? For that, the SEO plays very important role. So SEO stands for search engine optimization. So you have to search for the keywords, and you have to put the keywords in your video description, so that whenever the user searches anything in the YouTube search window, at that time your video will pops up very fast. So such a way that the user will get engaged with your video. Okay, then YouTube analyzes viewers behavior on the video watch, click through rates, and average time spent, engagement, likes and dislikes, and comments. So another very good thing about the YouTube is you have to be engaged with your viewers in a comments, likes and dislikes as well. So the algorithm uses this kind of things to get promotions with YouTube. So next is about 5 different sections where your YouTube appears on your video will appear on a YouTube. So first is the search section. So all your metadata of video should accurately describes the video content. Be sure to optimize the titles, description, tags, and add closed captions. So this is the important thing that you have to optimize your titles. So titles plays very important role. You have to optimize your description. Description should be very suitable for your video. You have to put some tags for your video, hashtags, and closed captions you need to do. Then over 90% of best performance video on a YouTube have customized thumbnail. So again, this customized thumbnail plays very important role. So thumbnail should be eye-catching, and thumbnails gives you a very good importance, and customized thumbnail is a feature. Uh, for enabling this particular feature, you need to verify your YouTube account. Just put a mobile number to get verified your uh, YouTube account as well. Okay, so again, search is the first area where your video will appear. Second area is the suggested video area. So these videos will appear on the side panel of a YouTube interface as a watch next. Okay, so on the side panel, these videos will appear. Tags plays important role part in the providing the context of your videos and getting into the suggested feed. Like if you are creating in videos on a kitchen channel, then particular food tags you need to keep, so that suppose the user is interested in that particular area, then automatically your videos will be come into a suggested videos. Make sure that includes the most important keywords. So keywords plays very important role for getting into a suggested videos. Once your video gets into a suggested video tag, definitely you will get more subscribers and more view times. Okay, next is third one is a home. So this is very important thing, where if your video will appear on a home, then definitely you will get very good response for your video. The home is the first page of a YouTube. Since when the user opens the YouTube app or www.youtube.com, then keep some of your tags, that is board matches. Okay, and to cast a wide net of potential viewership, use a single word relevant tags. So single word relevant tags are very important for getting your video on a home screen. So single word tags are very important to get your video on a home screen. So once your video will get on a home screen, then definitely you will get a n number of subscribers and very good watch hours as well. Then fourth is subscribers view. So there is a subscribers tab available. The people who have already subscribed to your channel, they get subscribers tab on the left side. And we have YouTube. You should consider adding the relevant call to action, that is CTA. Call to action is a CTA to subscribe your YouTube channel using end screens and annotations. So annotations are very important, and end screens are important to get or to keep your viewers engaged with your channel. Okay, end screen are the screens where you will have next video suggestion and all, so that it will increase your watch time, it will grow up your subscribers and all. So these things is very important. You have to take care of this thing. Next thing is trending. So again, the trending is the new tab with the YouTube. So trending feed list of videos that are new and popular on YouTube in the viewers country. So keep producing the great quality content, keep engaging with your audience, promote your video on social media channels, and keep your fingers crossed. So such a way that you will get your video in a trendings. Okay, once your video is very popular on a YouTube, in that your country feed or trending in a country's trending tab, your video will appear. So this thing will also improve your subscribers and watch time. Then YouTube monetization requirement. Just now I have already explained. You require 1,000 subscribers, okay, and 4,000 hours watch time. Okay, getting 1,000 subscriber is easy. Also, getting 4,000 hours watch time is easy. You need to work a little bit for this. Okay, to comply. And next thing is to comply YouTube policies and guidelines. Just now I have explained that you should take care of copyright policies of YouTube. And the last thing, we need to create an AdSense account. Once your channel gets monetized, you will get this option automatically. You will be redirected to AdSense account to create an AdSense account. Okay, so this is about monetization requirement. How to achieve this 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So I'm going to tell you some tricks to get 1,000 subscribers. So how to achieve 1,000 subscribers? So there are 8 number of ways that you can achieve 1,000 subscribers. So I will tell you the tricks. First is put your audience rather than the revenue first. So always think of your audience rather than the revenue. Such a way that you will create a good video content so that your audience is get into touch with your video. Then define your value proposition on a YouTube. Stay with one particular type of contents with a good quality. So do not mix all types of content, so that user will not be in touch with that particular thing. So keep in one particular fashion so that user will get engaged with your videos. Double down your YouTube contents that works. So you have to increase the number of videos. That works definitely. Creating engaging your YouTube channel, so that put some add-ons or put some end screens or put some ad channel activities or tokens, such a way that you will get engage your viewers on the YouTube channel. Next thing is take YouTube SEO seriously. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Again, use some keywords, use some tags to your videos, and you have to take care about search engine optimization while creating a YouTube video. So SEO is playing very crucial role of promoting your video. Then be an innovative YouTube creator. So your video should be innovative, that should be unique one, and that should be very informative. So once your video is informative, then definitely you will get YouTube subscriber. Promote your channel through all the social media. So this plays very important role for promoting your channel over a social media. Like you can use WhatsApp, Telegram, Hike, Gmail, etc. to promote your YouTube channel on social media. Always stay connected with your fan base. So get in touch with your fan base. So put commenting your fan base, and give some feedbacks to your fan. Also put a like button to their comments, and also have put their names into a comments, and also this will definitely help you to engage with your subscribers. Next thing is how to complete 4000 hour watch hour. So for completing a 4000 hour watch hour, create a good length of video. So your video length should be a good one, and that video should be in pace, so that audience will not leave the video, and he or she can be touched with your video. Engage your audience with the video. Use the features like YouTube Live will improve the watch hours. So YouTube is giving very good feature like YouTube Live. So once you are doing YouTube Live, then definitely your YouTube viewer is engaged with your live session. So do this or use this particular activity for improving your watch hours. Then increase the frequency of videos per week. So you have to increase the frequency of videos per week, and try to share your videos on all the social media platforms. So this is very important, again, to get or complete your 4000 hour watch hour. Okay, so this is about completing 4000 hour watch hour. Okay, so that's all. If you have any queries or any questions, you can write me on a mail, nirajkapse@gmail.com. Stay connected on my YouTube channel. My channel is Niraj Kapase. I have another channel as well named as Kitchen Diary. So you can search on a YouTube that Kitchen Diary, and stay connected with the Kitchen Diary. I will show you where you will get my another YouTube channel. I have two YouTube channels. One is Niraj Kapase and another is Kitchen Diary. So I will tell you where you will get Kitchen Diary. So open youtube.com, and under the search box you need to type Kitchen Diary. So go to a search box. It is opening. Okay. Under the search box type Kitchen Diary, KITCHEN Diary. Once you type this, you'll get my channel. You will appear the logo like this, and the channel is here. So I have 44 videos there. So this is specifically for food lovers. So click on this and just get subscribe this channel as well, and also subscribe Niraj Kapase if you are not subscribed, and press notification bell icon for getting next upcoming updates and videos. Thank you for listening. Again, stay connected. Thank you.